Hey guys, what you're looking at is the end of 2 weeks of quarantine. Got my bags packed out here. I'm loading up the Jeep. Going to get out and explore a little bit of this location where I'm at, but you guys are about to see it from the beginning. So you can kind of see how I survived 2 weeks of quarantine should you ever have to go through it. I'm a bit more accustomed to coming and going as I please. When I get to a new location, I like to explore where I am and enjoy the location. Not this time. I am literally in prison. This is not going to be fun. Alright everybody, time for me to come clean as to why I've been driving across the country. This is my world for the next 14 days. Welcome to what we in the military refer to as ROM. Restriction of movement. I'm going to be working out here for at least a couple of weeks, and before I'm allowed to enter the base, I have to go into quarantine so I don't spread COVID. So got pretty much all the shopping I need done for these next 2 weeks here. You can see I totally unloaded my Jeep, and I can see it right out my window, so I can keep an eye on it. I am allowed to go to the laundry. I'm checking to see if I'm allowed to go to the fitness facility. But other than that, my butt is supposed to stay in this room so that if I do have COVID, we discover it and I can get over it before I'm allowed to interact with anybody on base. So that's why I'm here, guys. I'll be working out here for a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm going to put my groceries away, and then I'm going to get ready for bed, and I will deal with all of this tomorrow. Well, hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of my restriction of movement. So you can see I've kind of cleaned up the place a little bit. Got to get through all those crates and repack them and organize and pitch stuff. Got my home office sort of set up over here. Just got out of a conference call. And tonight we are making Indian. We're doing, let's see, butter chicken spice curry. So we sauteing up some vegetables, throwing in some chicken, get some jasmine rice going. So other than that, I've also been recovering all day because I've been absolutely exhausted from that trip up here. So that's all that's happening right now in restriction of movement. Well guys, I'm officially in day 3 of ROM, otherwise known as restriction of movement. So it's good when you're going to be, well, essentially trapped like this, to have some goals set to achieve so you just don't become a couch potato and put on a lot of weight. So I've kind of been pushing things back here so I have a little bit of room to do some PT. So today's physical training is going to be, well, quite a bit of upper body. I'm going to be doing a lot of push-ups. I've also got a little bit of core and a little bit of legs in there to kind of break things up. My wife got me these exercise bands to kind of help me out as I'm trapped in here. So let's get this workout going. Alright, so now if you're like me, I'll admit, haven't been working out that much. I've been too busy. So don't overdo it. So I'm definitely stopping here at the end of 3 sets of those. Also between the sets, don't forget to hydrate. Remember, you don't want to overdo it because you want to have a light soreness the next day, but nothing that's debilitating. So I'll be focusing tomorrow on a different set of muscles. So hopefully I got a little sore up here today. We'll see. But anyhow guys, as for day 3 of ROM, not doing too bad. Got a little more organizing done, got some more work done. So really trying to have a productive restriction of movement. So I'll be going back on the computer after I cool down here a little bit and get some more work done. And who knows, maybe tonight I'll be able to relax a little bit. Last night I definitely was feeling the exhaustion from the long drive and being exposed to the elements like I was camping on my way up here. So definitely had a down night last night, so I'm hoping about 5, 6 I'll be able to stop working and just be able to kick back, relax, maybe watch a movie. Well guys, it is day 5, the evening of day 5 here in quarantine, and I'm about to lose it. This is so boring. I tell you what, this just sucks the motivation out of you to do anything. So I really had to force myself to work today. So I decided, I got up this morning, did a little PT this morning, got quite a bit of work done. I really had to force myself. I decided tonight I was going to treat myself to some Thai. Oh yeah, we have Thai tonight. So I got, I think it's called mamasa curry. I don't know, it's the stuff I get when I'm in Phoenix, doing Thai in Phoenix. But anyhow, yeah, definitely looks like I'll have enough for tomorrow. So at least I know what lunch is going to be. Well, it's day 7. We're at the halfway point of this quarantine, and you can see I'm changing the linens on my own bed. Well, first of all, don't always like when I've got so much stuff in here, I don't want housekeeping to come in, but it gives me something to do. I mean, this sucks. Being stuck in a room like this for pretty much 24 hours a day. Now, with exception, again, every morning for about 5 minutes I get to escape because they have breakfast for us, so we're at the lobby. I go pick that up. And today, just a few doors down is the laundry room, so I'm catching up on some laundry. But other than that, this is probably the most exciting thing I've done in a week. So, whew, yeah. Like I said, one more week of having to deal with this, and I get a little bit of freedom. So, and also a couple of long weekends, so it's just going to be nice. So I'm hanging in there, guys, but man, this is bad. All right. Even though I'm grocery shopping, doing a lot of cooking for myself while I'm here, I will not lie. DoorDash. All right, because you can only have so much food in these fridge, and the small refrigerator, you can only make the same thing so many times before you get sick of it. So tonight I'm treating myself. Got myself a nice big hamburger, some french fries, a little dessert. I'm going to enjoy this. This is so wrong, but so right. That's dinner. My mental degradation here in ROM continues. I'm now starting to watch South Park. It can't get any worse, can it? Oh, it's so the aliens don't read my thoughts. What day is it? Day 10. Day 10. We are now on day 10. So I'm going to squeeze in another hotel room workout, make myself nice and sore, and then go back to work. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick little photography. I've been trying to keep my eye open for something I can take a picture of. The sun is actually out. So let's do this real quick. something I'm a little concerned with here. So, back in Nevada, when I opened up my Jeep door, the camera fell out and it did shatter the protective lens on this. Now, obviously, since I'm still here in ROM, I haven't had a chance to get a new protective lens. But what's concerning me is the zoom is a lot more difficult. And I can hear something, a ball bearing or something in there. Not sure what's going on, but we may need to be replacing this lens soon. I mean, it is definitely a stiff lens right now. I mean, autofocus is working. Yep, it is focusing. Oops. Yeah, it's focusing, and it's focusing sharp. So it's still functional. You just gotta wonder now, when is it going to finally break? So may have to get a replacement lens. And the thing is, I really like this lens. I mean, it's 18 to 200. It's kind of heavy, but I rarely have to change a lens, if ever. So might have to buy the current version of this lens. Now that I'm out of quarantine, it is time to resume this adventure. Make sure you subscribe and tune in for the next episode. I've got a lot planned to share with all of you while I'm here.